Now that you've got through the whole row and you're at your last one, you do the last scale. So there's the last scale, and then you're going to slip stitch into, alright, this one's a little harder than the other ones, but there's going to be that chain one from when you chain one and you came to the front. You're going to go through that, and you're going to go through that single double crochet that's underneath. So you'll go through this right here, sorry for the black yarn, and then you're going to go through this in the back where that double crochet is, slip through, and you're done with the row, and you can see all your scales. And now we're going to go ahead and do this. Well, this will actually bear one. Well, first was a chain, then we did the base, so that was the first row, and then we did this as the second row. So now we're going to do our third row, and you're going to chain 3. You're going to turn it around and flip it inside out so you can see the base of it, of what you did before. And you're going to yarn over and double crochet again into that same space, chain 1, and you're going to do a single double crochet into the center where the you're not going to go underneath, you're going to go into the stitch right here and do a double crochet, single double crochet. And then you're going to chain 1, and you're going to do a set of 2 double crochets. Do 2 double crochets into the top of that single double crochet from the base we made before for the other scales. You're going to go right in through here and do 2 double crochets. Let's see if I can get this closer for you. See in between. And then you're going to chain 1, and you're going to do a single double crochet again into the center of that scale, into the stitch itself. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the top of that single double crochet from the base before. So really into the first row. Chain 1, single double crochet into the center of the scale. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the top of that single double crochet from row 1. Chain 1, single double crochet into the center of the scale. Chain 1, again 2 double crochets into the top of that single double crochet from the first row, chain 1, single double crochet into the top, well, into the center actually, of the scale from the previous row. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the top of the single double crochet from row 1, chain 1 double crochet into the center, I keep missing a line. I hate that. There we go. And single double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the top of that single double crochet, chain 1 double crochet into the center, chain 1, two double crochets, chain 1 double crochet into the center, and you just repeat that all the way around. Two double crochet, 1 double crochet, and chain 1 between, chain 1, two double crochet to the same, chain 1 double crochet into the center. We're almost all the way around. So one more set of 2 double crochets, chain 1 more single double crochet into the center, and chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of that chain 3 that you made when you first started the row. Just make sure you don't do that chain 3 too tight, because then you're going to be struggling to get through it like I am right now. And slip stitch, and you're done with that row. Now you're just going to chain 1, flip it around and right side out now, and you're going to do the same thing that you did before. Yarn over, skip that first single double crochet and go to the next set of 2, yarn over, front post double crochet around that first double crochet 5 times, chain 1, turn this side. 5 front post double crochets around that second double crochet in the set of 2. Slip stitch into the top of that single double crochet that's next to it. And just repeat 5 front post double crochets around the first. Chain 1, turn your work, and do the same thing around that second double crochet in the set. It's a lot easier than it looks. I know this stitch looks intimidating, but it's really just a bunch of double crochets in groups of 5 and 10. So, and 2, 2, 5, 10. Slip stitch into the top of that double crochet, and now you're already on to your second row of your gloves. Now you can do 3 rows, 4 rows of each color, and then you'd cut it, and then you'd start your next glove, and that's how you keep the color changes going in the same direction and have it be even on each glove. So just keep track of how many rows you have, and that way it will line up correctly. And I hope this helps you guys so you can make these gloves and you don't get confused. So thanks for stopping by, guys.